Let's talk about elevator technician exam prep and how you can build a confident plan to pass your Red Seal certification in Canada. If you're preparing to challenge the exam, upgrade your skills, or enter the trade for the first time, this video will guide you step by step. The Red Seal exam can feel intimidating, especially if it's been years since you last studied. But with the right approach, the right resources, and consistent practice, you can absolutely succeed. Thousands of Canadian tradespeople write this exam every year, and you are just as capable as any of them. Elevator technician exam prep starts with understanding what the Red Seal exam actually tests. This isn't about memorizing random facts. It's about applying trade knowledge to real-world situations. You'll see questions involving diagnostics, electrical troubleshooting, safety circuits, mechanical systems, and installation procedures. Some questions use diagrams, wiring schematics, or scenario-based challenges that mirror what you do on the job. Most Red Seal exams include around 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions. You have about 4 hours to complete it. That means pacing is important, and practice is a big part of getting comfortable with the timing. Let's break down how to study effectively. Start with safety, because safety principles show up throughout the exam. Then move into electrical fundamentals, control systems, and mechanical components. Understanding how elevator systems interact, electrical, hydraulic, and mechanical, is key to answering scenario-style questions. One of the best exam prep strategies is to study in sections instead of reading from start to finish. Focus on one topic at a time. Review diagrams, practice calculations, and look for patterns in how questions are framed. Here's the thing. Elevator work is complex, but you already use most of this knowledge every day on the job. The exam is simply asking you to recognize those same concepts in a structured format. Connect your study material to real tasks you've already done, and the content will make more sense. If you're a mature learner, a newcomer to Canada, or someone returning to school, remember this. You are not starting from zero. Your experience matters, and it will help you more than you think. Now let's shift into the 20% soft promotion. If you want guided support for your elevator technician exam prep, you can use the resources available at redsealstudyguide.ca. You'll find Q&A books that help with quick practice. You'll find explanation-style resources that break down concepts for deeper understanding. And you can use online time tests that simulate real exam timing and pressure. These tools won't guarantee a pass, but they will absolutely help you study smarter and more effectively. The online tests are especially useful because they show you your strengths and weaknesses in real time. They help you build confidence before exam day and allow you to track your improvement session by session. And because the study materials are digital, you can review them on your phone, tablet, or computer whenever you have downtime. Remember that earning your Red Seal is a long-term investment. It opens the door to better pay, more stability, supervisory roles, inspection work, and even opportunities to train apprentices. Your certification proves that you meet the national standard for elevator technicians across Canada. So take your time. Study consistently. Use trusted tools. Believe in your experience and your ability to master this exam.